How do you know if your assets are protected? Hi, I'm attorney Paul DeLaurie, and I teach people how to manage money and other assets, property, businesses, and whatnot. So, how do you know? Listen, there's no certification or accreditation when it comes to asset protection planning. It's not like there's a Betty Crocker seal of approval or anything. So, how do you know? We're going to talk about that today. Think about it. Products all have safety ratings. Motor vehicles, for example, are rated by the, let me get this straight, NHTSA, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. I don't say that very often. So, and they have ratings. Are they good or bad and whatnot? And things like building supplies or electronics or electrical equipment is rated by Underwriters Laboratories. You can see reviews for roofers and auto mechanics on the internet. And for the most part, you know that you can trust that because a review of a roofer or a roofing company is going to reflect whether the roof actually leaked or not after it rains. And a review of an auto mechanic is going to probably reflect whether the person could drive away from the repair shop. And yes, there can be some hidden things, but for the most part, you can trust those reviews. For the most part, you can even look at reviews of lawyers and other professionals on the internet and probably trust them. Like, for example, if you have a DUI lawyer, the DUI lawyer will have taken the reviewing client from getting the DUI or the DWI, whatever it's called in your state, to the completion. And the person reviewing is going to either be happy or not happy with the result. And there's actually a result. Or a review of a divorce lawyer is going to be based on an actual result. But that's not really the case when it comes to asset protection. You see, when it comes to asset protection, you don't get sued every year or every decade. And you don't always get audited by the IRS or have the government come after you or go through a divorce. And frankly, when it comes to protecting your assets, you don't know if the lawyer or the asset protection company did a good job until, frankly, it's too late to do anything about it. So that's why I created the 7 pillars of asset protection. It's a way for you to know, does the proposal by the other attorney or me or whoever, or the documents that you already have, do those actually pass or not? And it's a black and white thing. Is it good or bad? And I talk about the 7 pillars of asset protection and I list them on a page of my website. And there's a link below. So just go there and read it and see if what you have is good or not.